Kundiman. Tunay ngayong yumid, yaring dilat puso. Sintay umiilag, tuway lumalayo. Bayan palibhasay, lupig at sumuko. Sa kapabayaan na nagturong puno. Dato puwat muling sisikat ang araw. Pilit maliligtas ang inaping bayan. Magbabalik man din at muling iiral ang ngalang Tagalog sa sandaigdigan. Ibubuhos namin ang dugo't babaha. Matubos na lamang ang sa amang lupa. Habang di nilang panahong tadhana, sintay tatahimik, iidlip ang nasa.
The poem Kundiman by Jose Rizal is a powerful expression of love, loyalty, and hope for the Philippines. It reflects the author's patriotism and his desire for his country's liberation from colonial oppression. In the Philippines, a type of love song known as the Kundiman had existed since the early 19th century. But in the early 20th century, Kundiman had developed into art song. The term Kundiman comes from the Tagalog phrase, kung hindi man or if it were not so.